Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to change your background here. So how you do it is you add a new tab. Oh sorry, my face is gone, but that's fine. Okay, and then you type up Chrome Store. And then you press this, the Chrome Web Store that comes up. Then you press search the store right here and type up stylish and hold that, and then add the first thing that comes up here, stylish custom themes for any website. So I'll just press that, and then since I can't do it again, I have to remove it from my Chrome. Then it will come up with a new tab, and then it will say this, and then you can search for a style. If you, I think this is true, but if you pick the cow print one, it just comes up with any one. So, for example, I can type up, look, let me do cow print Roblox. You have to write Roblox at the end, or YouTube, because you can do it with YouTube as well. So, yeah. Sorry about the noise in the background, but it's fine. Now you just wait till it loads. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, look. So I did this one last time, so let's see if it works with this one. Well, it might just put you to that marble and black one. It's really nice too. That was the original one I had on. So yeah. Alright. Oh, you can see my friends on that. Okay. I look a bit. It's 11:15. That's fine. See, I'll be back when it's loaded. Okay guys, so it's loaded, and now I can install with the style. Alright, okay, now you add to Chrome, add extension. You should have 3 tabs up there. Now it's just gonna check. Sorry, it's taking long. Okay, welcome to Stylish. Next. Okay, then you should go back to this one, install the style. Alright. I don't know, okay, it's installed and I don't know why it wait, let me refresh my page real quick. Let's see which one comes up. I think, oh, it just put it back to the white normal one, no. Okay, I'm just gonna, that's annoying. Oh. Alright, but anyway, yeah, you can pick whatever one. I'll just put marble Roblox. I'm just gonna put my original one I always put on. So yeah, let's just do that. I'll be back when it's loaded. Alright guys, it's back. This is the one I always have on, the aesthetic marble. I really like it. Okay. Here we are, let's install the style. Okay, now we go back to our page and ta-da, we've got the marble. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed today's video and this little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, goodbye.